Hello student, welcome to Vedantu Doubt app. My name is Vivek. I am making a video solution for your given question. So please follow the given steps, okay? So first I read your question and after that I will explain it. So your question is saying that a rocket is moving in a gravity free space with a constant acceleration of 2 meter per second. So there are acceleration is 2 meter per second, right? एंड आ फिगर इज आल्सो गिवन टू यू. तो देखो सबसे पहले एक बार फिगर ड्रा कर लेते हैं. सो दिस इज अ फिगर, ओके. सो इन द फिगर values is given to you. So total length is 4 meter and the direction of this side is 0.3 meter per second, right? And in opposite direction that is 0.2 meter per second. And acceleration a, that is given to you, a is given to you 2 meter per second square, right? Because you know that the unit of acceleration is meter per second square, right? So first of all we will consider motion of two balls, okay. Two balls with, so consider motion of two ball with respect to rocket, right? Rocket. So that is equal to maximum distance, right? So here you can see that maximum distance of a ball from left, okay. So from left wall, right? So what will be this? So this will be u square upon 2a, and that is equal to u square, so 0.3 into 0.3, right? That is given to you upon 2 times of acceleration. Acceleration is 2 meter per second, right? So solve and calculate it. So 0.3 into 0.3, so it will be 0 point and point will be in 2 digits, so 0.09 upon 2 to the 4, right? So when you divide this to 0.0 and 4 to the 8 and approximately 4.02 and 4 to the 8 25, so you can write only 0.025 meter approximately, right? Up now, so collision of two balls will take place very near to the left ball, okay. Very near to the left ball. So what will be this? So the value of bs is equal to ut plus half at square. This is the Newton law of motion. So we will put the value. So bs is equal to minus 4 meter, total given to you, that is equal to minus 0.2, because you can take the direction, okay. So this is the opposite direction, so it will be 0.2 in negative sign. So 0.2 into t bracket में 1/2 into 2t square. So when you calculate this, so total will be 0.2 is divided by 0.2 and there will be half at square, okay. So total will be your t square plus 0.2t. So this value is equal to 4. So this will be like a quadratic equation format. Okay, because 2 से 2 कट गया, so it will be t square, and यहाँ पे हो जाएगा -0.2 दैट इज इक्वल टू -4. तो इसको इस साइड लेके आओगे, सो दिस विल बी अ क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मेट. सो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बन गई. तो फिर क्या करोगे, फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे. x इज इक्वल टू -b प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2 है. तो वो फॉर्मूला जब आप रखोगे तो यहाँ पे रूट्स क्या निकलेगा, देखो, प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 0.04 माइनस 4ac. तो ये हो जाएगा 416 अपॉन में कितना आएगा 2 इंटू ए, तो 2. तो यहाँ पे जब टोटल इसको कैलकुलेट करोगे तो ये अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1.9 आएगा. ओके, सो दिस विल बी योर करेक्ट आंसर. सो चाहो तो ऐसे लिख लो, नहीं तो आप अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इंटीजर वैल्यू ले सकते हो 2 सेकेंड्स. ओके, so I hope you got your answer. So please rate the session with awesome option. Thank you for joining us in Vedantu. And if you have any type of confusion in this question, so you can join with me follow up. Thank you. Have a nice day.